I have cracked the code of best shampoos for oily scalp. Discontinued it and they launched a new variant. तो ये बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाता था मेरे से. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Gayatri and I'm back with a new video today. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some shampoos which I have been loving lately and which are also under 300 rupees. These shampoos are especially great for oily and greasy scalp. So let's get into the video. Before starting the video, I want to share that this is my natural, normal, air dried hair. I have washed my hair today itself in the morning, and this is how they look. They're not completely dried, so they look a little down, but my scalp is like really clean and fresh right now. And yeah, also, this video is not sponsored. So, I'll start by sharing a little detail about my hair type so that you can relate better with the products which I'm going to be sharing. I have a very oily and greasy scalp and very dry hair strands. And my hair, like, literally gets oily on the second day of hair wash itself. Before I started using these shampoos, my hair would get oily and greasy very quickly, but touch wood, it's not the thing right now. So the first shampoo is this one by L'Oreal. It's a new launch. It's the L'Oreal Hydro Pure purifying shampoo. It has salicylic and hyaluronic acid in it. It also says that it removes oil and impurities, hydrates length, which it definitely does. I have already used this much of the product, and definitely it's an amazing shampoo. It clarifies my scalp very nicely, and it also leaves my hair strands hydrated. Not very much hydrated, but a proper amount of hydration. It gives a proper amount of hydration. So basically, I have a oily scalp, and whenever I use a hydrating shampoo, my hair gets overhydrated and it gets oily around this area a lot. So that is why I avoid using hydrating shampoos. But this one is very nice. I really like this one. So foams up very quickly and it smells good. I like diluting the shampoo with water so that it lathers quickly. This product is a 10 on 10 for me. I purchased the conditioner and shampoo together in a combo, and the conditioner is equally amazing, fantastic, and helps me manage my hair better and keeps my hair hydrated and shiny. So, a few months ago, L'Oreal discontinued its shampoo, which was this. I'll leave a picture over here. It's the L'Oreal Extraordinary Clay shampoo, which I loved. I have would use it for so many years and it would leave my hair squeaky clean. And unfortunately, they discontinued it and they launched a new variant, which was this one. And while it got discontinued, it was very difficult for me to find a good shampoo which would keep my scalp clean. And that time, I came across this one shampoo from Love Beauty and Planet. It's this shampoo, clarifying pure scalp purifying shampoo. It has tea tree oil, peppermint. It states that it is sulfate free shampoo, purification for oily scalp and hair. And yeah, this was a savior for me that time. One day, suddenly, I got this, I found this on Amazon and I was like, I need to try this. And amazing shampoo, great for oily scalp. So they have launched just a very small bottle of this. So there is no bigger bottle in this for this variant at least. So I've used 2 to 3 bottles of this and I love it. It smells good. It smells very minty and fresh. It takes a little time to lather. You need a lot of product of this get that foamy lather on your hair. सो ये बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो जाता था मेरे से, 1 महीने में नहीं, लाइक 1 महीने से पहले ही खत्म हो जाता था. सो दैट वाज वन प्रॉब्लम, बट या इट इज़ अ वेरी नाइस shampoo. The price of the shampoo keeps on fluctuating on Amazon from 290 and 320. ये प्राइस में फ्लक्चुएट होता रहता है. So you can go check it and purchase this for yourself. They also have a conditioner in this same variant. I haven't tried that conditioner, but you should definitely try it. And the third and the last shampoo for today, which I'll be recommending, and which was a surprise for me. And I love this shampoo so much already. It's the Plum shampoo. It's coconut milk and peptide shampoo from Plum. This shampoo is mainly for dry and rough hair. But for my surprise, this shampoo worked great for my oily scalp. It leaves my hair squeaky clean, very hydrated, and I have used the shampoo today also, and I love how my hair feels very clean and hydrated. This shampoo smells delicious, lathers up quickly, so good, and it retails, this small bottle retails for 294 or 296 rupees. They also have a bigger bottle in this variant, so you should definitely try that. I will be purchasing the bigger bottle next time. This shampoo was recommended to me by my friend at work. She told me about this, and she has great hair. Hi Komal, if you're watching, thank you. So she has great hair, and I had to try this, and I'm in love with this shampoo. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I was so excited to make this video because I have cracked the code of best shampoos for oily scalp, and I just enjoy using these shampoos every day, and I had to share this with you guys. Also, I'll be leaving the link for these shampoos in the description box below. I am not earning any commission or anything from the links, so you can go and click on the link and purchase these for yourself, and I'm definitely sure that you are going to enjoy all of these shampoos. All right, so yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any video of mine. I'll be posting a lot of videos related to hair care and skincare, and yeah, I'm so excited for that. Until next time, this is Gayatri signing off. Bye. And hi, yeah, hi, which also hyaluronic, hyaluronic, hyaluronic acid.